So welcome to the new season of Inimba Bafethu. Inimba is now on season 2. This is the first episode of season 2. So Uqhawe Bafethu slept out because on the last season siyakhumbula bafethu ukuthi Uqhawe actually broke up with Mawethu because Mawethu slept with her mom and then broke up with Onga. You understand? I don't know what was the reason. I don't remember, but she broke up with Onga. But I feel as if like she knew Utu Mawethu and Onga were a tug of war fighting for her. So this guy, I was curious to know his name, but along the review guys in Zomaz Utubanu Azande was sleeping with Uqhawe, you understand? So Uqhawe had to leave, and this guy is actually introduced to the new season. But can't wait to see what he's gonna do. Secondly, Bafethu, lobola negotiations and marriages are on the way. So love is in the air for these two, Zoleka, Beno, Lazarus. So on the last episode of season 1, guys, you saw what Lazarus proposed to Uzoleka, and Uzoleka fortunately said yes. She approved the proposal. But now Uzoleka has a suggestion regarding their marriage, their engagement, ukuthi they must take 50-50. Uzoleka wants to marry Lazarus out of community, not in community, but out of community. So Lazarus to agree to the suggestion ukuthi bathathe 50-50, you understand, not because Uzoleka sees ukuthi the relationship might fail, but Lazarus respects the suggestion, you understand, because Lazarus is actually faithful and hopeful ukuthi things are going to work out. Since they worked out, so they're still going to work out, you understand. So they need to gather paperwork uNonceba azobuya to help them with the 50-50 situation, you understand. So they both happy to be married out of community, you understand. So they are officially engaged now. Sekuzowenziwa amalobola negotiations. Hlathi on the other side bafethu is turning into a drunkard. They are posed Hlathi non-stop, yabo, because uThumeka has left the Mabandla house. Uthumeka usehlala laphana nomama wakhe, mamngwevu omdala. So bahlala ndawonye ke laphana, and uHlathi ke is stranded laphana. It's not looking good for uHlathi because Thumeka isn't there to actually help out the house. She isn't there. She isn't available as she used to. But at least bafethu nabo Ntsiki who check up on uHlathi. Now and then they check up on uHlathi bafethu to write uHlathi, because uHlathi tried to attempt calling Thumeka, but at the same time it's no use. It's not worth it having to call Thumeka. We understand. So Ntsiki is coming there to actually check on uHlathi ukuthi right here. But apparently uHlathi, it's like Uhlathi is living in a pigsty, and he's pretending to be okay, whereas he is not okay. I go right to Uhlathi bafethu. You can see in his face, njengoba nje ephuza nje futhi non-stop, means very well ukuthi une stress. So Sydney ke bafethu banohlengiwe are on holiday, yabo, basema holiday ke bona ke, and Lazarus can see the caption and the post lapha on social media bethu Sydney usahambile, but mayebuya is gonna get his things into order. Sazi ke uqonda ukuthini Sydney mayebuya uzothola izinto zakhe into order, because the last time I think they were trying to rekindle and actually mend things benekhusela, yabo, regarding him having to have a competition no Zoleka. You understand, but Zoleka isn't concerned enough about to Sydney. We are sure even if Sydney comes back, he can do whatever as long as it's not gonna affect Khusela and her relationship with Lazarus. So Uqhawe gets back home. The parents weren't really strict on Uqhawe, guys, you understand that, but the way she came back was funny, holding her heels on her hand. So Bambu's would to be right in be safe, so she had to lie and say baby boogie move benozet, which is not true, because ubelele nalo mfowabo to us hande. Yabo asingazi ukuthi uzowenzani usiphathelele. So at that uNonceba is back. As you remember, guys, Nonceba is Lazarus' sister. Nonceba is back. You understand? So mayibuya ke kuNonceba, she is coming to actually support yabona and be part of the negotiations amalobola. We understand. So everyone is actually happy to see Nonceba back, yabo. And then uyanga ke bafethu ulapha emakhaya benothumeka umama wakhe. They are no longer living under the Mabandla house, but kuhambile nothumeka umama wakhe basemakhaya. So uyanga is forced to start a new life lapha emakhaya, go to a new school, yabo, because uThumeka is convincing uYanga ukuthi aye kulesa sikole lesa, and uYanga does not seem to be interested. uYanga doesn't want to go to the new school. She doesn't want to live a new life. She doesn't want to start a new life. She misses Cosmo, and she's saying uThumeka ukuthi Cosmo is in her heart. You understand? Uyathanda ukuhlala eCosmo than ukuhlala laphana emakhaya, because uHlathi earlier on ushilo ukuthi the only person that loves uHlathi is uYanga, but uThumeka does not care about uHlathi. So uYanga is proving well ukuthi yena ufuna ukuhlala eCosmo, yabo, because she is used to the life in Cosmo, and uThumeka keeps on saying ukuthi no, she'll get used to the new school, the principal is kind, and uThumeka nabo bonke kade befunda khona lapha emakhaya where they want Yanga to go, where she wants Yanga to go, bebefunda khona bona. So she'll settle in, she'll be used to it, you understand. Uzoba right, she needs to just wake up, yabona, abe right. She's gonna be okay laphana endaweni enhle laphana in the village emakhaya kwagogo wakhe, you understand. So moving on ke bafethu, seems as if people are upgrading season 2. So uThandeka ke bafethu, Thandeka is Thumeka's sister-in-law, we understand, nabo koNtsiki ke involved. Thandeka is upgraded, usenendlu entsha, indlu yakhe lena nje esibuka bafethu lena in the picture, that's Thandeka's house, you understand. So moving on ke, uNtsiki came to cast in and vent her concerns to Thandeka regarding umthetho. uHlathi has been drinking non-stop, and uThumeka isn't setting foot lapha kwamabandla. So uThumeka made it a statement ukuthi yena akasafuna ukuhlala laphana, and no one's going to control her because uHlathi is losing his ways, and uHlathi doesn't care about uThumeka regarding ukuthi ulikamva actually lost her heart to uQhawe, you understand. So it means uHlathi akanandaba, so yena akafuna ukutshelwa, she's there, but uNtsiki now is just setting up her concerns, yabona, and actually telling uThandeka ukuthi it's bad laphana kwaMthetho because uMthetho does not have anyone. Instead uHlathi is all alone, he is lonely, and he is doing the wrong things, taking the wrong decisions, just because uThumeka doesn't want to set foot back laphana bezolungisa izinto kwamabandla. She's very sad, I can say, you understand that, because Thandeka also is not actually feeling good about the situation. She's touched ukuthi uThumeka left uHlathi, yabona, and the marriage is just flooding all over. So continuously ke bafethu ke, it's back to business ke la, uyabona, as you can see ama-laptop avuliwe, but the business actually is them having to set up their marriage, yabona, after their engagement, yabo. As you can see ke bafethu ke, uZoleka is picking up the phone to call her mother, you understand, babuza ukuthi banjani and whatsoever. In the middle of everything, uThumeka is in the picture, but at the same time uZoleka ufuna ukukhuluma noThumeka. So uThumeka does not seem to be interested, yabo, in speaking to uZoleka, which is actually painful because these people are actually sisters. But the last time uZoleka saw uThumeka, or they saw each other, was when uZoleka came to visit uHlathi, feeling sympathy for uHlathi and consoling uHlathi after everything that has happened, because uHlathi was also hurt at the situation. So bathi yamnika ucingo umama wakhe, guys, uThumeka akafuna ukukhuluma naye, uyabona, and umama wakhe uZoleka had to tell uZoleka ukuthi uThumeka doesn't want to come through to the call. But at that ke kusasebuhlungu ke, bayafika bangcukana are back. So I think it's more like the negotiations, obviously, because these people are mostly back when there's something happening in those families, yabo. So they are back ke bafethu, bazolungisa indaba zamalobolo and stuff, yabo, and everyone is excited to see each other in the new season, obviously. So Thandeka calls uThumeka, guys. Thumeka gets a call from uThandeka, her sister-in-law. So uThandeka is telling uThumeka ukuthi uNtsiki came through to uThandeka and they spoke, and uNtsiki misses uThumeka. Same thing goes for Thandeka. Thandeka misses uThumeka. And also when she was about to mention uHlathi, uThumeka boiled up, you understand, and she didn't want to hear anything that has to do with what Thandeka has to say, you understand. So umam wevomdala is advising uThandeka ukuthi you can't just leave the Mamandla house like that, you can't just leave marriage like that, you understand. I go asho uThumeka ukuthi umama wakhe hasn't been in the situation she has been for mourning a person who lost a child. Because Tsumeka lost ulikamva through Uhlathi deciding to take likamva's heart to Uqhawe. So Mamake has never been in that kind of situation. That's why she's feeling the way she's feeling. So moving on, Bafethu Zwelibanzi, the father of Lazarus, is happy. He's very happy for his son. He's proud of Lazarus. So Lazarus has made his choice to actually be with Uzolega for the rest of his life. But at the same time, Babake Uzwalibanzi is showing support to Lazarus, having to tell him Ukuthi Lazarus chose the right person. Zolega is the perfect wife to be a Ngugana. Uzolega is the perfect person to be in a relationship or be in an engagement or marriage with Lazarus. You understand? So Uzolega is applauding Lazarus, which is good, being a supportive father to his son. So it continues ke bafethu ke celebrations ke amawayini ezandleni and all that stuff. Uyabona, celebrating uthando lukaZoleka no Lazarus. And uyasho kuZwelibanzi lapha baba kaLazarus ukuthi he is grateful ukuthi there is still love in the house, there is still love in both families. Both families are going to unite. He is still grateful nakhona futhi ukuthi there is still forgiveness. Regarding everything that has happened, or regardless of everything that has happened, good or bad, because these families had negative situations, you understand, and they had problems where they fought, but through all of that, grateful ukuthi basabambene. So he can't wait ukuba the Big Ngugana clan to unite. So Untiki comes to Umthetho for the second time. And the kumthetho bafethu this time around akahlali. This guy doesn't want anyone near him. Yabona ucacisile ekuthulani naye uNtsiki. As you can see, both these people are family to Umthetho, but Umthetho does not seem to be concerned about them having to come and check up on him because they are worried about him. Yabo umuzi uwile, yabona the Mabandla surname is going through a lot. Yabo it's going through the most at this point. But Umthetho bafethu does not care. He does not want to hear a word from uNtsiki noThulani. Instead, he had to chase both of them out. We understand that because he's had it, honestly. We understand that. Instead, he wants time alone. So moving on, the celebrations continue. But now we unveil that character, Azande, guys, the one whom you saw, whom was sleeping, I guess, should I say, with Uqhawe, because it seems as if like they were both sleeping under the same roof. So Azande, we are figured lapana, he is in the house, you understand, and everyone is happy to see him. But on the other side, Uqhawe is shocked. So we saw lapana a bucket lama ice because he's seeing this guy, and we are too this is the guy that he slept with, you understand. And thing is, Uqhawe doesn't even know this guy's name. Agamaz Azande. Now they're getting to know each other because Azande is now in the house, and that is actually it's actually frightening Uqhawe. But again, we can't wait to see what's going to happen on the next episode, the second episode of season 2. Guys, make sure you log in and you tap in to Ini and Baba Fit. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.